Alright, so the new shop was delivered today. Catch first glimpse of it as I pull in with me. Ooh, there we go. That's gonna be the new shop. 12 by 24. We'll check it out. Alright, this is what we got. 12 by 24. Got the two windows on this side, the 9-light entry door. I got a ramp. I went ahead and got it leveled up for the most part. It's not perfect right now, but it's pretty dang good. But this is going to be a motorcycle shop. No more working in the driveway. Woohoo! Stepping up in the world. Unfortunately, I had to sell my 23 Indian Challenger that I had, but you know what? It'll be worth it. Got the roll-up door on one end. So, obviously just the windows on the back. On the back wall here, I didn't have any windows, just because of the simple fact that there's woods there. I don't care. Yeah, got a fly buzzing around here. So, plan is down here, as you pull in, gonna have the bike lift right in here, and down this end, back wall and everything down here is gonna be tools, storage as much as I can on the walls, utilize the space. Yeah, so that's that. Making progress. I'll give it a little bit it'll settle on this pad that I built. It's crusher dust. I did compact it, but chances are when it rains, it'll still settle a little bit. But when I first got here, I had to level it out a little bit because I couldn't even get the door open. But got it level enough so it latches nicely now. Yeah, I'm picturing toolboxes, shelving, pretty much this whole wall back here. I'm gonna take my air compressor and probably in this back corner here, I'm gonna run wiring to it eventually, and outlets obviously, but for now it'll just be hand tool work out here until I get the outlets ran. What I was saying was I'm going to put the air compressor, build a small little insulated building out back, not building but just cover for my air compressor so I don't have to hear it inside the shop when I run it. And I'll just run the plumbing in here, and I'll just run plumbing in the wall for the air compressor. So I do like this door, it works pretty slick. Not bad at all. I like that it rolls up the way it does. So yeah. That's all she wrote. That's the new motorcycle shop. After Hours Cycle. Stick around, like, subscribe, all that happy horse crap for more. Plenty more to come.